Does your engine feel sluggish, stall out at idle, or just lack that punch it used to have, all while the check engine light is staring you in the face? If you scan it and see code P0012, you are dealing with a camshaft timing issue on bank 1, which is the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder. This code specifically means the timing is over-retarded, or simply put, the intake camshaft is lagging behind where the computer wants it to be. Modern engines use variable valve timing, or VVT, to adjust how the engine breathes for better power and efficiency, and this system runs entirely on oil pressure. When the computer wants to change the timing, it opens a solenoid to let oil flow into a phaser on the camshaft. If that timing is retarded, it usually means the oil is not getting there fast enough, or the phaser is stuck. Now, before you start tearing apart the engine, I have to tell you that the number 1 cause for this code is actually neglected oil changes. If your oil is dirty, low, or the wrong viscosity, sludge builds up and clogs the tiny screens on the VVT solenoid or the oil passages, blocking the flow needed to adjust the timing. So your absolute first step is checking your oil level and condition. If it is dirty, change it immediately, clear the code, and see if it comes back. If the oil is fresh, the next suspect is the VVT oil control valve or solenoid itself. These can get stuck open or closed due to debris. You can often pull the solenoid out. It is usually right on top of the valve cover, and bench test it with a 12-volt battery to see if it clicks and moves freely. If it is stuck, you can sometimes clean it with brake cleaner, but replacing it is often the safer bet. It is also worth checking the wiring connector leading to it for any breaks or corrosion. Remember, this system is hydraulic, so if your engine has low oil pressure generally, that could also be the culprit. But 90% of the time, it comes down to clean oil and a working solenoid. So start there and save yourself a major headache.